Follow this quick guide to understand Android charging settings that help protect battery health and improve overall phone performance in 2026. Go to the settings page. This is usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on battery. This section controls everything related to your phone's power usage and charging behavior. Inside the battery menu, look for charging settings or sometimes more battery settings, depending on your phone model and One UI version. Tap on it to continue. If your phone supports it, you will see an option for fast charging. You can toggle this option on to enable faster charging speeds. This is useful when you need a quick battery boost, especially during busy days. However, keep in mind that using fast charging too often may slightly increase heat, so it's best used when necessary. Now go back to the main battery page and scroll down until you find battery protection. On some devices, it may appear as battery protect battery. Tap it. Turn the feature on. This setting is designed to reduce long-term battery wear by limiting how fully your phone charges. On newer Samsung devices, you may see additional options like maximum, adaptive, or custom limits. The best choice for long-term battery health is setting a charge limit around 80% to 85%. This helps reduce stress on the battery and can significantly extend its lifespan over time. Once everything is set, your phone will automatically manage charging in a smarter way. You don't need to monitor it constantly. By using these simple settings, you can keep your Android battery healthier, reduce overheating, and improve overall performance in daily use.